The Congress Working Committee will meet on Friday for a hurriedly convened discussion amid suggestion that it will brainstorm political issue preparation for coming assembly elections and farmers agitation, and may also finalize the election schedule for the post of party's president and the venue for an AICC session. President Joe Biden returned the United States to the worldwide fight to slow global warming in one of his first official acts, and immediately launched a series of climate-friendly efforts that would transform how Americans drive and get their power. In a blow to his predecessor Donald Trump's actions to limit immigration, US President Joe Biden on Wednesday has ended the Muslim travel ban, which blocked travel to the United States from several prominently Muslim and African countries. In their second meeting in the 2 days with police officials, farmer organization on Wednesday reiterated that they would take out to tractor parade in Delhi on Republic Day, even as farmers in Punjab, Western UP and Uttarakhand began preparing to reach Delhi. Protesting farmer unions, which have blocked the highway at Singhu border for nearly 2 months, on Wednesday rejected Chief Justice S.A. Bobde's appeal to suspend their agitation since the Supreme Court has stayed implementation of the 3 farm laws and await its verdict and validity of the legislation. Since its launch in May 2017, Arnab Goswami owned news channel Republic TV and had gained illegal access to additional 22 million users of a Prasar Bharati owned direct-to-home service DD Free Dish without paying the government for it. Continuing its attack on the WhatsApp controversy relating to Republic TV editor Arnab Goswami, Congress veteran and former Defense Minister A.K. Antony on Wednesday said leaking military operations to the journalist was treason and no mercy should be shown to any top government functionary who put the armed force at risk.